Hey, sneakylinux back tonight. Yes, I'm back again. Back tonight. Oh yes, indeedy. Right, I've got a pup for you. But this is a beta, okay? This will be the new Puppy Linux, okay? Although Puppy Lucid will still be going on for quite a long while, this one is based on Slackware, which is why it's called Slacko for the moment. When we get a full release, it'll have a proper name and whatever stuff. There's lots of names in the pipeline, and it keeps changing every time I see it, and people come up with different names for it. So, for the moment, we'll call it Slacko. Came out Wednesday, the 17th of August. I just hadn't had time to get around to do it. School holidays and all stuff like that. And we're going to have a quick look round for you. Now, as you can see, it's basic Puppy, really, isn't it? When you look at it, so you get file, help, install, edit, console, play, draw, paint, calc, browser, email, chat, plan, connect, setup, SlickPet, cloud, SlickPet, yes, cloud and SlickPet. Called SlickPet, obviously, because it's based on Slackware now. Well, it will be based on Slackware now. And cloud, I'll come to that in a little bit. Now, if you download it and use it, you will find it's quite fast. Yeah, faster than you've been used to. But we'll see how that comes out when it comes out into a full release. Now, Slackware used to be the repos I used to use many moons ago. So this is where they're going back to their roots, sort of thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, we do. Anyway, the main browser that comes with it is SeaMonkey, but I've installed the Fox. What's this? Firefox 5 Aurora. Okay, I take it. That's it. That will do for me. Yes. Works really quick, as you can see. No big deal. Lovely jubbly. Right. I'm sure I made a bookmark there. And it's not there. Look. Oh my god. Okay, so what I'll do. We'll go to Google, which is already there. And we'll type in Puppy Linux. And we quickly go over to the forums. Okay. And I'll give a little readout for you of what we've got to do and the things all about. Okay. So I think it's under Puppy Projects. So we'll quickly go there for you. Here we go, Slacko Beta 1. This is the baby we've got today. So if you want to give it a try, go to this address up here, you know, this one here, go to the forums, you can download it. It's about 128 meg. It took me about 2.5 minutes to download, no big deal, lovely jubbly. If you're using Puppy as standard, you can use wget or wget, whatever you want to do, that's fine, and give it a go yourself. Now, I'm going to scroll down. There's some changes he's made to the other alphas that he's done. I tried them a couple of times. I didn't, you know, I thought, well, I'll let it come to a beta first before we give it a good show, before you can all go and download it. Lots of stuff has been going down in the hood, or under the hood even, if you know what I mean. And there's lots and lots of stuff for you to play with. So, go and get it and give it a go. That's what I'm going to say. So, we'll get rid of that now. We'll close my tab. Oh, by the way, Flash does work, as in the latest Puppy that I tried the other day. When you install Firefox, it asks you if you really want to download the old Flash player. Of course you do if you're going to watch videos, wouldn't you? Yeah, you would do, wouldn't you? And we do it. Screen's really nice. Really clean. It's got the usual Puppy icons. Remember, you can make them smaller if you wish to do so. I'll go to the menu. Desktop, I'm not going to go into that because it's usual. System, we get CPU frequency scaling, some other stuff. There's no HTOP there, but we do get a top view running processes. That's as far as you go there. Usual Puppy setup. Now, not all the drivers are working for graphics cards at the moment, but I'll come to that in a little bit. Utilities, usual, but we've got XFprot virus scanner is back. Oh yeah, baby, it's back in the hood. Nice. That's for keeping all your Windows friends happy, by the way. Now, you know before, and I said to you before, that they're going to make this a multi-user sort of pup. Well, it is in a roundabout way. Basically, when you're browsing, you should be, when it's finished, using Spot, which makes browsing the web not as root. I'm not going to go into that anymore today. When the full release comes, not very long to go now, we'll go into it more then. And I've done a video about it already before. Moons back, moons and moons and moons. Okay, graphic. You just get the basics here. Remember, you can get Gimpy and all that business. Usual. G-numeric and Abbey word are your babies. Personal, bcrypt. I love bcrypt. Do you like bcrypt? I like bcrypt. Network, usual. Internet, usual. As you can see, I've downloaded Firefox or a web browser, blah, blah. You can get Chromium on that. SeaMonkey is your standard. Transmission and XChat are your standard here too. If you want other stuff, you can get it. I'll show you in a momento. Multimedia. Double F Convert multimedia player. What a bloody godsend. For all of you people that are using other distros and just want to convert video, just use Pup on a stick and use this, and you'll go, wow, why didn't I think of that before? Because it converts anything to anything. Okay, enough said. Usual here. Oh, you also get Pup radio and telly. I've shown you this before in Pup before. Basically, I can click on there and listen to Radio 4. I can go Pup telly. As you can see, they're all southern hemisphere orientated, obviously because it comes from Australia, doesn't it? Yeah, of course it does. I'm not going to click on them because we're breaking the law, but it all works out of the box, no problemo. Okay, menu again, fun, just a couple of games and the usual help and shutdown menu. Right, that's enough of that. Try and make it as quick as I can so I can get all this information into your heads really quickly. SlickPet. Right, the same as before, a bit like QuickPet, but now it's SlickPet. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's not the same, but you do get Gimpy P widgets. Browser default changer doesn't work for me. Now, remember Cloud over here I said earlier? Right, I downloaded that from here. Okay, and I'm going to go into it in a minute. Internet Pets, this is where I got the Fox from. You can download Chromium, although it's not the latest version, there are some bugs in the older ones, okay? So just hold on to your horses for that. Pigeon for your chat client, as you will know. SFS gets lots of new stuff here. Get Cartoon, well, I'm going to go into that, it's a game by the way. LibreOffice, Skype is there. Talks, that's another game by the way. And Zero Ballistics is another game. There's no VirtualBox or nothing like that in here at the moment, but I'm sure when it gets released as a full release, it will all be there. Right. Under drivers, we've only got the Mesa drivers for Radeon and Intel cards, okay? If you've got a NVIDIA card, okay, you're going to have to go and look in the Puppy Package Manager and see if it's there, because there's not a lot there at the moment, okay? But we're going to have a look in a second. Hang on, I'm just going to scratch my nose. Thank you. We'll click OK. We go to Install, and then we go to, where are we? Puppy Package Manager. Have a quick butcher's in there. And no, I'm not on acid tonight. I'm on water. Thank you very much. Right, where are we? If we go to System, let's see if we can find any drivers. Utilities, I can't remember where I've seen them there. There were some here anyway. No, don't set up, let's have a look. No, not in there. As you can see, it's not actually filled, yeah, or filled up, should I say, or full, or whatever you say. Yeah, okay. We'll try internet, it might be there, I don't know. But yeah, there are some drivers about on the web from the Puppy forums, by the way, if you want to try them, okay? I just can't find them where I've put them now, or wherever they are. But I'm only using the Puppy Slacko repos, so it's a bit stable. When you start using other stuff, it's a bit unstable. As I found on an old machine, I put it on, well, a 2 gig machine I found. It's, what can I say? It was a bit of a bummer, really. It was fine, and then when I rebooted, it lost all my drivers. I must report that, by the way, yes. Right, anyway, under graphics, as I said, you can get Gimpy here. There's lots of other programs I've never seen before also that are in the Puppy Slacko repos, which is rather nice. Go back to multimedia. There is no open shot here either, alright? It's a bit of a bummer. I hope they can get that in before they finish, by the way. Got a bit of open shot in here. Yeah. And some stuff from multimedia frameworks, KDE, like Phenom, and the GStreamer is also here. Only Audacious really is a proper player and M player. They're going to have to fill this up with a few more things to please some of the new users they've got from Puppy Lucid, because they've got used to having lots of programs. So we need to get this filled up a little bit, don't we? Yeah. Anyway, that's enough of that. Now, Cloud, as I said before. What is Cloud? Well, I downloaded it and I thought, just see what it is. Basically, all it is, it's a little file where it downloads all the bookmarks, basically, for Facebook, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Twitter, and Yahoo. So you can click on Facebook there, and in theory, it should open my browser and get your Facebook straight away in there. Okay, not that I use Facebook personally, but say I did, I might do, mightn't I? But you can also put this on your desktop. So if I just chuck that there for the time being, move it down a bit, or move it wherever I want to move it, by the way. Oop, it opened itself. Didn't want to do that, did we? We'll try that again. Okay. Google Docs, one click, here we go. And there we go. Goes to Google Docs. Email, password, in you go, do all your work. Yeah, nice. And you can get rid of them as well. There's also Twitter on here. These are just shortcuts, by the way. They're not actually applications themselves, so just click on Twitter. It just makes it easier. There's another couple of new ideas that are coming through for Slacko. There's quite a lot going on and buzzing round. So when it eventually comes out, I think it should be super bleeding duper. Right, on the whole, in the time I've been using it, by the way, this is installed on a virtual machine. I've not had any problems. On a full install, on a separate machine, standalone, had a few problems. But I'm going to wait to see if there's any updates in the next week or two, and then we'll go into them more, I think, than anything else. But at the current time, I can give it a good 4.5. Yeah, good 4.5. Nice. Sneaky Linux out.